Inching closer and closer to the 4th. Jeremy's out back with word of our weather.
Yeah, we have one more speed bump before we get to the holiday weekend, and that's tomorrow afternoon. We've got a risk for showers and storms into the afternoon, especially for those of us here in the Valley cities and out through the Poconos, even up into Wayne County. Looks like a majority of the more vigorous activity will be centered in northeastern Pennsylvania, but those of you in central PA could also see a straggler or two throughout the afternoon. I'll time it all out in just a little bit, but I got to show you this picture that came in from one of our viewers. This is a slaty skimmer dragonfly. This was taken by Diane in Montrose, and I just love showcasing your photography skills across the region. And Diane really has some great skills. She was able to capture this dragonfly on a lily pad in Montrose. Beautiful, beautiful picture. Thank you for sending this in. Really did make my day. And I never heard of that type of a dragonfly before, so always love when you guys educate me. All right, here's a current view of Wilkes-Barre, the City Heights Apartments camera. Very calm night. Beautiful night. Also in Williamsport, you can see the waxing first quarter moon. It's very pretty tonight and very clear too, with no clouds in the skies. Temperature right now 70 degrees, but look at the humidity. It's starting to go up. Today we spent a large part of the day with humidity pretty low. It was very comfortable air. Well, that's starting to change as we introduce more moisture into our atmosphere. We had a really nice day today with temperatures just about average. We normally top out at 84 this time of year, and that's exactly our high temperature. Happened around 4, 5, and 6 o'clock here in Avoca. 88 was the high in Williamsport, 86 in Selinsgrove, 81 for Mount Pocono. Temperature is still quite mild. For Williamsport, we're at 72, 77 in Lewisburg, we're at 72 in Lehighton, and some parts of the Poconos in the 60s. Clear skies right now, but look up towards the north. See that large line of showers and storms draped over the Great Lakes region up from Montreal back to Wisconsin? That's going to impact our weather tomorrow afternoon. We're really going to see these pepper our skies as we head into the afternoon hours between noontime and 6 p.m. I think we'll be fine for the Scrantastic spectacular down in downtown Scranton, which happens around 7 o'clock, but there could be some issues leading up to it. So just be aware of that. And if you have any lightning or thunder in your region, always spend time indoors until it's gone, because if you're able to hear thunder, you're at risk of getting struck by lightning. So here's future clouds and radar. You remain clear tonight, clear tomorrow morning. See how that flash of green swiped across the screen? That happened at noon. So could be a passing shower or storm in central Pennsylvania, but this is what we're worried about. This more substantial line of showers and storms, which sets up around 3, 4, 5 o'clock with some embedded downpours and high winds, maybe even some small hail, specifically centered, you notice that, near Scranton, over the Poconos, even down through Monroe and Carbon counties. But most of central Pennsylvania remains spared. By 8 o'clock, we're done. We're back to clear skies, and we remain that way all the way through your holiday weekend. Rainfall amounts look like they're going to be in the ballpark of about a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch of rain, but we do have that severe risk specifically for northeastern Pennsylvania of some high winds and flooding rainfall, so be aware of that. Tonight we're going to be clear with a low temperature of 63 degrees, and that high pressure system stays in control all the way through your holiday weekend. And we got great weather on tap with slowly increasing temperatures Saturday and Sunday, and that humidity starts to have an uptick too on Sunday. So it's going to feel a lot more like the 90s than it does the upper 80s. But Friday, Scott, which is the 4th of July, is my pick of the next 7 with low humidity and temperatures in the low 80s with full sunshine. Looks like a stunner of a holiday.
Well, happy birthday to America.
Happy birthday to America. Yeah, Mother Nature working in tandem.
Thanks very much, Jeremy.
You got it.